So let us go back and create another campaign. This time we will choose leads again, but this time we will not choose the ideal audience because we want to have more control. So this is how our will look inside the Bing search. So we have the headline, we have the website, the description will be here, and we have the address, and if we have the reviews, it will be shown here too. So continue, and we have campaign name, of course. Let us call it a Flora search. You can always bring settings from another campaign. We don't want that. Let us go with $10 a day. So you can, this is a daily budget we have. And you can actually bring budget from your shared library. We don't want that. And let us choose a specific country. So let us choose Canada as a country. Or you can inside the 20 miles away around Canada, Kentucky, United States. These are the regions. You can also choose the region inside the Canada, but we want the whole country. And also United States. So this is the country. And let us go to, for example, let us choose another Middle Eastern country. So let us choose this. And let us say that we want Australia. And also, who should see your ad? People targeted location, so people searching for viewing web pages about targeting options. We only want this only people who are living in those countries, not people searching or viewing things about those locations. So this is not a translation. This is your web pages language. So if your landing page is in English, you only want people to target it, that their devices are English or they interact with English content. So if you have other than English, you can go with the many languages they have. And auto-generated assets from responsive search ads, we don't want that. Disclaimer, we don't want that. Dynamic search ads, this is actually the ads generated based on the content of your website, so we don't want that. And once you are ready, just go to the next step and you can create different ad groups. So this one is an ad group. We have to find out more information. Also, we can create another ad group here. We only want one ad group, and I recommend you, if you don't have a big budget, or if you are not working for a big corporation, just go with one campaign, one ad group, and one ad every time, because it will only take half an hour for you to once you get to know the whole process. It will be very easy for you. So let us go to our website. So let us type the website, because Microsoft will bring keywords from our website and will give us our recommendations here. So let us go to our website and let us copy it. And you can say my website is not ready, but it's ready. And here are the actually, so we have digital marketing. So we have the suggestions here, 30. We can add them here. So followers by followers, we don't have this service. I don't know why it shows up. And also we have the marketing here. So we have digital marketing, we have digital marketing advertising. So this one is good for us. We have marketing digital. So those are the that are shown to us. So for example, digital marketing plan is getting around 10K to 100K. Digital marketing is also good, so it is related to our services, or you can type them separately. Now you have to be very careful. If you just type a keyword like those one here, it is called the broad match. But if you use quotas, so a keyword and inside the quotas, it indicate a phrasal match. But if you use the brackets, So if you use a bracket and then the keyword and close the bracket, it is indicate that it is an exact match. So only people who are searching for the exact match your ad will show up to them. But for the phrasal match, sometimes the take a look at here. So if we have the phrasal match for digital marketing, we actually might marketing digital would be shown our ads to them. Also, maybe digital marketing ads too, because this is very net. It is the phrasal match, not the exact match. But if we want only digital marketing or digital marketing advertising, and we can just include inside the brackets. So our when our search for this keyword, then our ad would pop up inside the searches. So let us add some keywords here, and those are the broad match. This is just to tell you, and add to ad group. Let us add it to all ad groups. And once you are ready, just go here. So you can say, if you have dynamic ads, you can create dynamic ads. We don't have it. So we will go to next process, which is the create ads. And also the side links are more, you can create a search side links to here. So for example, if you choose this one, for example, if you want people to see your pricing too. So this is pricing, and it is optional, so the description. And you want to show it on mobile, we don't want. So you can go, for example, let us go to our website. This is just an example. So let us say that, let us assume that this is a pricing. And if you have mobile, you can type it here and you save it. And this is the pricing that happens. So you can create many different site links easily. And let us create our ad. So once you are ready, so this is actually, let us type a flora here. So let us delete this. So once you are ready, just now we have to create our ad. So we have to give it our URL, and it gets the recommendations for us. So for example, highlight what you would like to include in your ads. So let us say that digital advertising, and go. And if you have your, so let us say we want this one and apply it. Now, if you have your descriptions, your headlines, you don't have to use the generated content, because if you take a look at this one, this is actually doesn't make sense. So what is magic? What is newsletter bliss or your monthly boost? Those are the things we don't want. So effective promotion, may workers, advertise workers are great. So we can pin it to position 1. So you have to actually position your headlines. So let us position number 1. And this one, let us make it 2. Ads that work, let us make it 3. And let us make another one, 3, 2. And you can actually add more headlines, and here are the descriptions. So exclude inspiration awaited in your books. We actually don't want that. And so let us type something by ourselves. And here we have the ad strength. So it says include popular keyword such as digital marketing tools, digital marketing advertising. So it says the performance, but if we can type, for example, digital marketing tools, and also let us type this one, marketing advertising, and this time it says average performance. We can still enhance it and make it strong ad, but this is actually not the keyword that I would normally go, because tools digital marketing is not something that people are searching for it, but audience for my agency, because it is only advertising. So then we have our images. So you can choose an image, for example, this one, and you can display it. Now our ad is ready, which is doesn't look good right now, but we can tweak it and make some changes for the headliners and sub-headliners, and also the description. But you get the top view, the side view, the mobile view here. And once you are ready, you just save it and you go to budget and bid, and then you are good to go. And that's it.